Hello everyone. In this video, I'll be taking interview question and answer for mechanical engineer freshers going for software job. So if you are doing mechanical engineering and want to go in the software field, then you need to prepare all these questions in advance. So let's take the questions. So the first question can be, what inspired you to pursue a career in software development as a mechanical engineer? So this can be the first question because this is something what you are doing. In order to prepare the answer, you have to reflect passion for technology and software development. So as you are doing an engineering, so definitely you have a passion for technology, but at the same time you should also have to show that you have a passion for software development. But do not forget your background, that means mechanical. So you should be having a strong background in your core area, that means mechanical, because your concept of mechanical will be applied to the field of software. The third thing that you must highlight is your problem solving skills, analytical thinking skills, and project management skills, because these skills are needed in all kind of jobs. So on the basis of these points, you have to prepare an answer. So let me show you a sample answer. So the sample answer can be, I have always had an interest in both mechanical engineering and software development. I believe that the skills and knowledge I have gained in mechanical engineering, coupled with problem solving, analytical thinking, and understanding of complex systems, can be applied to software development. So in these sentences you are saying that you have both orientation towards mechanical and software development, and you are also showcasing your problem solving skills, analytical thinking, and understanding the complex systems. So you will apply those skills into software development. You will also say, I am excited about the opportunity to work on cutting edge technology and be a part of fast paced, constantly evolving field of software development. So in a nutshell, you are telling that telling the interviewer that you are ready with these skills and you are ready to go into the software. So let's see other questions. So the next question can be, how do you stay updated with the latest development in software development? So now they are asking you that okay, you want to join the software field, but how do you keep yourself updated, because that is not your core field. So you have to show your learning skill, number one. Then you should tell them how do you keep yourself updated. That means you are reading some kind of blog or some kind of journal or some kind of magazine, right, in order to keep yourself updated. And also you must have joined some courses and earned some certificate, so that is also you can showcase for this answer. So let's check what can be a sample answer. The sample answer can be, I stay updated with the latest development in software development by regularly reading industry news and articles, participating in online forums and communities, and attending relevant conferences and workshops. So here you must have prepared all those articles and online forums and communities that you are actually attending or actually looking, because they may ask question based on that. So be prepared with that. I also take online courses and tutorials to learn new technologies and programming languages. So as you are keen to join the software field, then you must have done some courses and must be learning some programming languages, so that you have to tell them, and they will definitely ask some questions based on it. Let's see what can be other questions. So the next question can be, how do you approach problem solving skill in software development? They know that you have not worked in any company, but since you have told them that you have problem solving and project management skills, so they would want to know how you will apply these skill in software development. So your answer should reflect approach to handle problems, how do you handle it, right? Then you will talk about your interpersonal skill. Since you do not have much of software skill at this time, so you will solve the problem based on your interpersonal skills. So you have to highlight your problem solving and project management skills. So let's see what can be a sample answer. So the sample answer can be, I approach problem solving in software development by first understanding the problem and the requirement. Then I break down the problem into smaller manageable tasks and use my analytical and critical thinking skills to find a solution. So here in these sentences, what you have told them, you have not talked about any software, but you just told them that you will apply your interpersonal skill to solve the problem. Now you will also add, I also consult documentation, seek help from a colleague, or do research as needed. Once I have a solution, I test it and iterate as necessary to ensure that it is the most efficient and optimal solution, right? So basically you are also telling them, telling the interviewer that you will refer the document and you will consult the colleague and will try to reach a optimal solution to the problem. So in this answer, you have not mentioned any software, but you just talk about the approach, the general approach, by making use of your interpersonal skills. So this is how you will make the answer to this question. Let's see what can be other questions. What programming languages are you proficient in? So since you have already mentioned that you are learning programming languages, so they will definitely ask you what programming language. So look at this word proficient. Proficient means you have some in-depth knowledge of this language. So your answer should reflect programming languages you have learned. They may ask question, be ready for that, and then differentiate between proficiency and familiarity. You just say that, okay, I'm proficient with this language, but I'm also familiar with such and such other languages. So let's see what can be a sample answer. I am proficient in C++, Python and MATLAB. I have experience with other languages such as Java and C, but I am most comfortable using C++, Python and MATLAB. So here you are declaring that only these three languages you are proficient in. So your answer may be different. You may be just proficient in Python or maybe MATLAB, but you just mention clearly that you are proficient in only this language, but have familiarity with other languages as well. So this is how you will make the answer to this question. Let's see the next question. The next question can be, can you tell us about a project you have worked on that required both mechanical and software skills? So they know that you have not worked in any company, but then also they just want to know how you have used the software skill to your projects. So here, while framing the answer, you have to tell them how you use software to complete your college project, right? Then highlight the software that you use for that project and show enthusiasm. So let's see what can be a sample answer. So the sample answer can be, in the college I have worked on a design project. Your project may be different, but I'm just taking one answer. The project was to design and build an automated warehouse system. I was responsible for the mechanical design of the system and also developed the software that controlled the movement of robots. It was a challenging project, but it allowed me to apply both my mechanical engineering and software development skills. So in this way you will frame the answer. Your project may be different, but in a nutshell you will tell them that you used software development skills for your mechanical engineering project. So this is how I have taken all the important questions and answers which you will face to the interview when you appear for a software job being a mechanical engineer. I am sure it will help you for your interview preparation. Thank you very much and best of luck.